Today, I want to introduce our new Volumizer. It is a unique wearable solution with a base that is lightweight, it's comfortable to wear, and it perfectly resembles your real hair. It allows the scalp to breathe, doesn't trap or hold water, and is completely flexible and causes no damage to your existing hair. Keith's Haircenter offers a unique semi-permanent hair volumizer called the Club W that provides options for women with thinning hair. It adds volume, texture, and color enhancement without chemicals. The Volumizer is specifically engineered for clients with hair loss in the top area and for people with fine, thin, or damaged hair. Each Volumizer is customized to fit your individual needs, creating a natural and beautiful look. It provides real human hair that replaces what nature took away. It's a wig alternative. It does not require tape, glue, or adhesives, and feels so comfortable that people forget it's on. Installation is done by using links with your own hair. Our trained hair professionals will ensure proper installation and long wearing satisfaction. It's 100% hand tied with a unique base technology that is breathable, self-molding, soft, flexible, and comfortable, and it will lay totally flat to your head. If you think you would look better with more hair, call us at Keith's Haircenter for a free consultation. We will go over all your options and discuss pricing at that time. We have 2 locations. We're in Green Bay and Appleton. Call us today.